Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to silence unknown callers on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from this list, just open the phone app. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of screen unknown callers. Now to silence unknown callers, just select silence. Now once you select silence, calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail. And also from here you will find the option of call filtering. Just enable this toggle. Now once you enable this toggle, missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be silenced and will be moved to the unknown callers list. Now if you want to silence unknown callers from FaceTime, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just go to apps, and from this app list, just select FaceTime. Now from here you will find the option of silence unknown callers. Just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. And this is how you can silence unknown callers on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.